Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's episode and this video, I'm going to walk you through how to block sender in Protonmail. Now, the first thing you need to do is realize that blocking a sender will prevent any future emails from them from reaching your inbox. They will be automatically deleted, the messages, so you will never get the emails. If you still want to do this, then I'm going to show you the steps. There are two ways to do this. There are two ways to block a sender on Protonmail while using your PC. The first method is to block while reading the email. If you're using the email for the person, open the email from the sender you want to block. Click on the sender's name or email address in the front field. And also, the drop-down menu will appear. Select Block Message. Block messages from this sender. And once you've done that, you can now confirm the blocking action. And the second method is through the settings, which is exactly what I'm going to show you. I want to do it through the settings. So this is my Protonmail. Now I want to block a person through the settings. So I'm going to click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up this drop-down menu, and then I click on all settings. You can see all settings. Click on it. So from here, we're going to get filters. So let's see. So here we are, all settings, and then we have all this option: dashboard, of reply, recovery, account and password, appearance, printed, privacy. Bottom here you can see filters. So click on filters. So click on filters, then you go here to spam, block and allow list. You can see, then click on add address or domain. So click on block. Then you put in the email address of the person you want to block or the domain of the sender you want to block, and click on add address again. This is the person I want to block. Then click on, this is for email. If you want the domain, you click domain, you put in the person's domain. And this is the email with the person I want to block, and then I click on add address. And that is it. That's all it takes to block senders in Protonmail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps us out. Thank you so much for subscribing if you already have. And if you're going to, thank you in advance. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can get our videos as soon as they are. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.